Quítense, quítate. Whoops, the light is on. No, where's he going? Ah, he's not dancing for a while. Oh, why is that light on? Oh, look, he's back, he's back, he's back, he's back. Get out the way. Where is he? Okay. Ah, come on, dance again. Dance a little bit. I know, right? Right now, like before I started filming, he stopped dancing. Like, what the hell? Who the hell's that in the way? Get out the way, get out the way, guy, get out the way. Get out the way. Ah.
He's getting in the beat.
Come on, get the beat, come on, boy, yeah, 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 boy, yeah, 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 dance in front of everybody. Get out the way. Ah. Alright, I guess, come on, where are you going? Come on, what the, seriously, you dance to the rest of the songs, but not this one? Shake, shake. Alright, I guess.
Oh yeah, bouncing. He was dancing inside of fountain, like, and everyone's spazzing.
Come on, buddy. Wait, move out of the way. I can't see him. I think he's getting into the beat. I think he's gonna start dancing. Dance. Oh my god. Oh, look. Shake it, do it, shake it. Come on. Get out the way. Look. This is so fucking stupid. Shut up. I can't. It's like fully filmed. They're like, come on, keep dancing. Don't get out the way, people. Get out the way. Oh my god, I swear. That's it, boy. Dance it. Yeah, oh, he's getting into the beat. Shut up. Baila funny. Míralo dance, mira. I want to learn how to dance like this guy. No, quítate. No sales muy bien como quiera, está zoomed. Shake. Ah. You better not be dancing behind the thing. Oh no, he's back. This guy's got mad skills. What happened? Oh yeah. Dance. I think he saw us, right? He already saw us. Yeah, he's doing it for the camera. He doesn't care. He's dancing in front of, like, how many people are watching him? A lot.
I think he lost his speech.
Nah, he gets it really quick. Look at it. Oh.
Oh my god.
This guy can dance.
That's the army helicopter.
This guy should go to America's Got Talent. I swear, I'm gonna put this on. America's Got Talent. See if he gets into. Yes, I'll make him famous. Why not? I'm gonna make a dancing boy famous.
That girl.
Yeah, the music is over. He's not gonna dance.
Stop. Perfect music.
He's not dancing. I'll put it when he starts dancing.
Wait, just give him time to see.
What's he doing? Is he kissing his hat? What's he doing? He's kissing his hat, right? Oh, what's he doing? He's fixing it. Oh, he's looking at it. I wonder what is he doing?
pause it.
Yeah, I'm gonna pause it, yeah. Oh my god, that's a freaking light. Cause I don't want him to see that we're filming. He's got a camcorder, right? What's he filming?
He's gonna film the fireworks.
Oh, okay. When are they gonna start? I haven't seen him start.
Check at 9.
He's doing a robot. Oh, ninja! I don't know. I have no idea what he's doing. That guy must be really bored, right? I really don't. This is funny because he thinks nobody's watching him, or he knows we're watching him. One of those two. He's giving us a show, anyways. Right? For the fireworks start, we got a show. It's because it's funny because he's under the he's under the light. It's because he's under the light and everybody can see him dance. Ah.
New song. Country little boy.
Yeah, you dance some country boy.
Country boy.
No, move out of the way. Es que no sé si sabe que nos estábamos filming.
He's not dancing.
This guy's gonna be famous, dude. I don't know if this guy's high or no.
Is he a comedian?
I think he's high. Who, that guy?
Yeah.
Nah, he's just high. Either he's high or he's really bored.
What do you mean
Or
he's
he's got
high?
talent of
Cause that guy is really high. Cause look at the way he's dancing. I mean, look at him.
There's a bomb! Oh my god!
Okay, give me back my bomb. Give me back my bomb.
Oh shit, the camera.
Doesn't that burn?
Yes it does. I'm covering the light. It burns. Oh, look at him. Look at him.
So he looks at you like, something.
He knows we're looking at him. What's he doing? What's he rubbing? Wait, no, don't put the light out. Yes, I forgot to take off the light.
What does it look like with the light? What's the light you see?
You can't see anything with the light. It's too far away. It's because it will look better if I zoom out, but I'm not gonna zoom out. I mean, it's because if I zoom out, we're gonna be very far away, and then we'll see like random people around the whole place. This guy, what's he filming?
You should send this to a fucking...
I know, he's gonna look at it through YouTube. Ah, my arm hurts so bad. Freaking roller coaster got me. Huh? No, I'm not gonna put it on Facebook. Or probably I might.
Put it on YouTube.
I am gonna put it. It's probably gonna be on today or tomorrow.
Hey.
If I go with you guys, I'll probably put it on today. If I go with these guys, if I go with my parents, I probably won't put it on. I probably will too, but it'll take longer. Ya estuvo con su